Morning. Welcome back to the channel. This morning we're headed back to the second part of the what is it, Macungie Memorial Park Antique Semi-Truck Show. Oh, look at that big boy. Oh yeah. So we're almost there, and we'll see you when we get there. All right, so we come back to the show on the second day, and the first thing I come across is this truck called Back in Black, and it has headers on it. I've never in my life seen a semi-truck with headers on it. Take a look at this. Look at that. My dad was joking. He said, I wonder if they're Cook's headers.
Get the window, Jen. Get the window.
I will, on the other side.
I'm not pushing it.
Let's walk around to the other side. Something? All right, here we are on the other side. Look at the size of this turbo, you guys. And just in comparison to my hand. I mean, look at this. I wouldn't be surprised if that's meth injection going into it. Help cool her down. 1985. Wow. What a cool truck. Oh, aluminum intercooler on her. Oh yeah, this is sweet. Definitely like this truck. V8, big turbo, intercooled with meth. Oh yeah. Say it again.
That's the LT.
This guy was here when?
In 97.
When you were here?
Yes.
Last time.
Right.
And that's why we're here today, ladies and gentlemen, because Dad wanted to bring me and show me what he saw 20 years ago. Your favorite. What we got? 1955 Mac LT.
L. Yeah. Last year for it.
Pretty truck. He's from Virginia. I was just telling my dad about this 1964 Mac B61. She's all motor, so you know it's probably extremely slow, but I bet it sounds amazing. I definitely would like to hear this thing in action. Real pretty truck. Oh my God, look at the interior. This is nicer than most people's homes. You seen inside this thing? Look at it. Got the dual shifter knobs.
Yeah, that's for the high and low range.
Right.
Yeah, it's got a trolley brake on the side.
This is cool. This is your guys's? Very sharp.
Is it?
When they first got it.
See, there's
To what it is now.
the wheeling and everything like that, and something smells pretty good.
Yeah, I think they're cooking some food somewhere. Yeah, this, what is it, a 1951 Mac
Yeah.
LT? She is definitely sharp.
LJ.
Says, oh yeah, LJT.
No,
Sorry,
yeah,
we took our stuff.
It says LJ right there.
Were they?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Were they?
Very nice. Very, very nice truck right here. Walk around to the back, check out the interior. Since I can't climb up there, we get to all look at it on video together.
No, the only thing in there, oh, your cigars are in there, and there's.
Single axle.
Yeah.
Definitely a cool show. I'm really, really surprised at how many cool trucks here I've found that I really, really like. If I had a little extra cash, I'd like to pick one up, maybe someday.
What model is this? Like an LL or what? LJ.
LJ? We could definitely haul a lot of stuff with this guy. Man, look at that flatbed. Goes for days.
Was it?
All right, you guys have been walking around the show, checking out all kinds of cool stuff. Came across this 1971 Kenworth W900A. I'll show you this thing. It's got twin supercharged V12. Twin supercharged V12. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? In my life, I've never seen anything quite like that before. Like little strut tower braces so it doesn't buckle the front end of it under all that torque. Do a little walk around of this guy here. We'll take you up to the cab since I'm too short. See what the inside looks like. What do you think, Dad? You like it?
No, you gotta believe it, man.
Walk around over here to the back. I guess this would be real stacks of, let me rephrase that, real twin stacks. No Y pipe here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is super trick. Look at that. Oh my God, that is super duper cool. I had to climb underneath this one. It was worth it. Go around to the front real quick, take a quick glimpse at the front of it.
It says Dirty Dozen, man. You gotta get that. They'll say Buzzin' Dozen too, but it says Dirty Dozen.
Was that like a swan on the hood?
Yeah. Swan song.
Beautiful KW. And they got an auto car next to it. 1952 auto car. I love these oldies. Super cool. See the interior looks like. Oh yeah, very sharp ride. My man's air horn game is strong here. Check this out. So I was looking at this truck and I came across it and I saw this huge V8 twin turbo diesel. You know this thing's made to move some power. Look at this. Try to get a better video for you guys, but there's too many people around that truck. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage I got of that twin turbo V8. I got this 1947, rephrase that, 1959 Brockway for sale. If anybody who's in the market for a nice antique semi. Someone did a pretty nice job restoring this. Little two-seater. I wonder what they're asking for it. Could be a good tow rig, huh? Just kidding. Love a loping semi. Hey you guys, I hope you enjoyed day 2 of the Macungie, Pennsylvania antique semi truck show. I had a really good time. I thought they had a lot of real cool trucks here. I saw a lot of stuff I've never seen before. I definitely would like to come back here and see this again. If you're ever interested in seeing a bunch of antique semi trucks, which may or may not be your cup of tea, I highly recommend you look up this event and come check it out. So hey, if you like this video, give me a like, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.